now, guys. Some big great donuts right here. Got the donuts. Just ask for a pass.
Motion sickness or dizziness are advised not to ride this attraction. Thank you for your cooperation and enjoy your visit to Krustyland.
Oh, Willie, sorry! Wow. See those faces.
It's very rare for me to be this cool.
No, the piece never is bad. Do that butter, please. Do the butter.
Okay.
The butter is so
camera, car keys, cell phone, skin. Any takers? No? One more week, and then I'm afraid we have to put you down. 45 more minutes. Just kidding. I have no idea how much longer it is. So here to entertain you are Itchy and Scratchy.
Hey, those are just two drunks you fished out of the gutter.
That's a lie!
You're fired. And leave the suit.
Ah, let me get this thing off.
Go! Keep the suit! One word of warning that may mar your otherwise enjoyable day at my park. There's a psychopathic killer on the loose. His name is Sideshow Bob, and he used to work for me. For some reason, he hates me. Then Bob tried to frame me for robbery, and he was foiled by the Simpsons. And now he's vowed to kill them all, even the baby. 6 months ago, Bob escaped from the Springfield penitentiary. He is rumored to be in the vicinity of this park, but rest assured, my crackerjack security team has everything under control.
I'm sorry, does anyone know which end the bullet goes in?
Now, which lucky family will be the first to go on my thrilling new ride? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Make it quick, I gotta go. To the little clown's room, so the family that will see my show is the one who hollers, go! Fine, you're in. Come with me. Oh, and you can pick one other group to come with you.
How about these guys?
Sure, whatever. They look clean. You guys come with me. You stay here and wait for someone to tell you to do something.
Welcome to Krustyland.
6. Number 6.
Where's
6.
Where's it?
Observe. Oh, the growing Now, if a human being were to enter that room, who knows what events might occur, you like? They could grow 50 feet tall, or 3 extra arms, or an eye where their nose should be, which is painful.
Hey, Nerdenheimer, don't you have a test tube to polish?
Yes, I do, actually, but you denied my request for test tube polish. I've been using rainwater in my shirt tails.
Get out of here! Here we are at the vehicle boarding station.
I'm sorry, sir. People with heart conditions may not ride.
Why, I'm in the best shape I've ever heart attack been in my life. I feel like a 20-year-old massive aneurysm. How is outside?
Oh, you can watch Maggie.
You can enjoy each other's nonsense. You don't say. Well, back in my day, people never had to come and watch each other. Well, Maggie, looks like I'll be taking care of. That's it, Maggie. Stay with Grandpa. Wow, we're the first people to ever ride this baby. We're like that space guy who did that moon thing.
Neil Armstrong?
No, Chewbacca.
Now enjoy the Ferris wheel. Or whatever this is. What do you want?
A dish best served cold.
Is it ice cream?
No revenge!
Go!
We're on vacation. Can't you kill me on a work day?
Simpsons, get in that ride!
Forget it, Bob. We'll never... Dad!
I waited in line an hour for this thing and I'm riding it. Now hop in.
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A legally required safety.
Here are some brief guidelines to ensure a safe and pleasant experience. When the doors open, move immediately into the vehicle boarding station. Walk, don't run. Proceed to the left and right side of the vehicle. We ask that you place all large or fragile items, including cameras and video recorders, against the wall outside the vehicle, and hold on to all loose articles. Take your seats in an orderly fashion, and please watch your head as you enter the vehicle. If you have difficulty dealing with small spaces, make the Krusty crew member aware of this before entering the vehicle. Once you are seated, please pull down on the lap bar. Please remain seated and face forward while the vehicle is in motion. Keep your arms and legs clear of the closing doors and inside the vehicle at all times. No still or motion picture photography of any kind is allowed. Thanks for your attention. Enjoy the ride.
Once again, do not exit the vehicle at any time unless directed by a team member. Your ride experience will begin shortly.
No place to be safe from me. And now, enjoy a ride that's about to be demolished while you're riding it. Ha 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 ha!
Roller coaster. Sweetie, I won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do. You'll have to die.
You sound like my son.
My next hit is. So anyway, where do you want?
Bob, not only are you not showing us, I'm having fun.
That's
kiddie ride. At least we're safe.
And our best to differ. You got off.
Alone at last.
I'm trying to kill the kid.
It just gets better and better.
A piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you. Oh, dear!
What is a temptation?
Did fear hurt anybody? I hate chain reaction!
You spoiled my plans for the last time.
You soiled your pants for the last time? Well, Sadie, onward, kicking it well.
Maybe that exit sign leads to an exit! Mark! Stay away from the ramp! I mean ramp!
Now for the unkindest cut of all.
They grow up so fast!
Not so hard, Judas. I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield.
The baby is wet and presumed drinking.
I'm not gonna change that judgment.
Come in, giant man. It's first Wait for my baby. That's not a pacifier. Get those tourists out of your mouth. You know where they've been.
Home sweet home! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the ditch top? My bosoms are clapping my back!
This way. I'm gonna take your picture. Okay?
I've got 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over. Let's go again! I want to go again!
Well, that's our ride. Hey, what does this do?